If your thermostat display won't turn on after you just put in brand new batteries, it's super frustrating and confusing, right? So, first off, make sure those batteries are actually good. Sometimes fresh batteries can be dud or put in backwards, and that kills the power. Next, pop open the thermostat and check the terminals where the batteries sit, if there's any corrosion or rust that can block the connection. You can clean those with a little bit of vinegar or rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. Another thing is to double check the wiring behind the thermostat itself. If wires are loose or disconnected, no power will flow. Don't forget to verify that the voltage from the batteries matches what your thermostat needs. Sometimes, if your thermostat is wired to your heating and cooling system, the batteries only serve as backup power. So if the main power from the furnace or air conditioner isn't working, the display stays dead even with new batteries. Also, try resetting the thermostat by removing batteries and holding down any reset buttons for a few seconds before reinserting them. If all else fails, it might be a faulty thermostat unit that needs replacing. One of the biggest thermostat problems people run into is ignoring terminal corrosion, which stops the device from getting power. Cleaning it up solves that issue fast. Another common mistake is not checking wiring. Loose or frayed wires can cause the display to stay blank, so securing connections helps a lot. Lastly, relying only on batteries when your thermostat mainly uses hardwired power trips people up. Confirming your system's wiring and power source is key to fixing the no display problem quickly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home heating and cooling fixes. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to get solid leads from homeowners ready to get things done right.